that. There will be a video on YouTube on Chris's channel if you want to watch the show again. Approximately halfway through the show, there will be an intermission, at which point you can get food and beverage in the kitchen. It will last about 15 minutes. Okay. So the charity that the admission from this show is going to is called Together We Rise, and it helps like kids in foster care, and it gives a lot of resources to them. There's more information in your program about this, so we appreciate you donating to this charity. Enjoy the show.
In our patch behind the farmhouse, where the pace of life is slow, and the lilies on the lake are broad and lush, we're all living here in clover, and the mating season's over, so there won't be cause for anyone to blush. In our land both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck, and pheasant, if we had them, we'd be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and up and ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
There's a turkey with a gobble, watch his legs begin to wobble, as the rooster cock-a-doodles the alarm. We've got pullets,
We've got chickens.
we've got quails, and what the dickens?
It's
a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
What a gorgeous spin this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on smart. She goes in for heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking.
It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers in our junkyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Here where waterfowl have waddled, little chicks are mollycoddled, for the cat would like to do them grievous harm. She's our only source of worry, feathers rarely get to flurry. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
How they flatter themselves. I never show much interest in this group. I had quite a glutton that this weather for the glutton wouldn't even make a palatable soup.
game of yours.
Oh, Ida, I didn't realize you were still here. You still sitting there wasting your life away?
Well, how about you take a turn then?
I'd love to take a crack at sitting on the eggs, but you look so comfortable up there. It seems a shame to disturb you.
Huh? And what about that extension on the nest you promised to build? It's going to be very cramped when the little ones arrive, especially with that big egg. Who knows what will come out of that?
Well, you never know. Could be a turkey's egg.
How could a turkey's egg get into my nest? Must be your side of the family.
We'll see who he takes after. Anyway, I'm off to talk to the architect about the extension.
Oh, really?
Of course. See, where's the nearest Krusty Krab?
As a duck, when you're stuck, sat sitting in the middle of your nest, then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake. I can see him through the bushes all the time, feeling I'm just ignored. I don't pretend that this is all his doing. We ain't cows, we shouldn't do the mooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my nest. Those little heads all soft and downy, their baby bodies all golden browny, their beaks constantly open waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood, those little ducklings walking around in a line. I'll be what any other mother would, to try to do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood, those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would, to try to do my best at bringing up mine.
Morning, Ida.
Morning, Maureen.
How's the mother-to-be?
She'd be better if the father would get his head out of video games and start thinking about the future.
Well, I'm sure Drake will make a marvelous dad when the family finally arrives.
I guess. It's rather uncomfortable down here. They say butts are made for sitting. Why didn't they make them cushions?
Oh, Ida, how much longer do you have to go?
By my reckoning, the due date was weeks ago. They should be out by now.
Well, the best things come to those who wait.
I guess. I don't get it. Every spring it's exactly the same. Why do we put ourselves through it?
But think of all the rewards. Those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed,
Waking you up at all hours.
getting into deep water.
Attracting unwanted admirers. Like the cat. Why do we put ourselves through it? Cause when you hear that dibble-dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rabble. Then watch their maiden voyage out from the bay.
Like champagne corks, you'll see the bobbing,
Accompanied by mothers sobbing, relieved. Thanks bye to nature, nobody say. It's the joy.
yow, 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 yow. It's the joy of motherhood. We would make these hatch now if we could. We've been waiting so long and singing this song. Hey, what has gone wrong? Just move it along. Yeah, I'm trying not to be frustrated, but I have just waited and waited. These eggs are belated. We've nearly migrated. This motherhood thing is so overrated.
It's the joy of motherhood. Those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would to get my ducks decked out and living in style. To get those ducks decked out. To Now sit back and watch this miracle. They're adorable.
Quack, quack! They certainly are.
And they're practically the spitting image of their father.
Their father, oh Maureen, please do me a favor and go find Drake. He didn't leave long ago. He's probably still nearby.
Sure thing. I'll leave you to bond with these little ones.
Can we go swimming? Well, I suppose so. We'll meet your father there. Let's get a head count. 1, 2, where is the third one? Oh, yes. The biggest one hasn't hatched yet.
How come that one gets so much room?
Yeah, I was so curled up in there, my back is killing me.
That egg is like deluxe.
Is that the crusty crab?
We'll deal with that later. Why don't you three go down to the lake, and I will watch this last one hatch.
Sounds good.
Come on. Thanks for your help, Maureen.
No problem.
What the? That doesn't sound too good. How about we go for a swim down at the lake?
All right, Mama.
Sounds good. We'll meet your siblings there.
Sure, Mama.
Oh, well, let's get going. Here we are.
Mom, look. Can we swim out to that island?
Goodness, no. That's very far away. Farther than it looks. You'll be able to someday. Now, are you ready to learn how to swim?
I'm ready.
Just do what I do and you'll do great. Just like any other duck. Just do this. And this. Flap your wings. You're a pretty good swimmer, actually.
What do you mean, actually?
Don't worry about it.
Can I meet my siblings now, Mom, please?
Well,
What's marmalade? It's kind of like jelly, just made from oranges. No, I meant what's Mama Lade? Kids, monster, get mine. Let's go.
Drake. This is your son and you knew it. You're just overreacting.
My son. Yeah, right. I knew that. Sorry, kid. It's okay, Dad.
Are you sure he's, one of us?
Don't be silly. Of course he is. Look at him. Now then, children, let's not make a fuss. Look at him.
Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. Come along, all of you now. Follow me, but stay close to me because there's some dangerous predators around here. And beware of the cat.
Look at him.
The legs are bending and the knees are knocked. Look at him. Dad was obviously eggshell shocked. But the neighbors scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl.
Why are you so rude? Ew, touchy. Look at you, look at me, what's it matter? Isn't it obvious? Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishies?
Because you scare them off.
Quack, 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 quack,
Quack, quack, quack, quack, quack.
Now that's what I call a snap. don't make any reckless decisions. Don't pick a fight, no matter who it's with. Us ducks are runners, not fighters. Now, let's practice our endanger class. Go on now, one at a time. Quack, quack,
Quack,
quack,
quack.
quack.
Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave in the egg too long?
He's my son and I love him. What have you done? You're to blame. This stockyard would be so boring if we all looked the same. Look at him, and be thankful that he's not your kid, but we've got him as a bride. Look at him, bound to go the way the dodo did, and he's worse than any other. Funny work designed to show prospects we did. Featured for a solo flop. Look at him, look at me, look at you. You'll agree, anywhere you look would be less grim than this of this whip of whiz. Look at him.
Wow, Ida, that's quite a kid you got there.
I know. If his siblings are already making fun of him, how tough will the real world be?
Yeah, he'll have it rough, all right.
Oh, kids, it's time for lunch. Go to the barn and get the bread the men draw. Let's go.
Bro, what's with that noise? It's like gross. Sorry, you didn't make that noise? Of course not ugly. I quack. See? Quack. Oh.
Come on, Ugly, it's time to eat.
If they knew just how dearly I would love to, but it's true, I'm just a bird who lacks the knack. I'm just different from the rest, and who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad, so why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And no, I'm still their brother. They forget. I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like my grubby feathers and I hate this stubby bee. There's a runt in every litter. One black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you, somehow your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may be well funny, but I hurt the same inside. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. Different isn't hateful. Different could be swell. Different is just, well, different.
Hello.
Who are you?
Well, I'm just your friendly neighborhood cat.
Would a cat like to be friends with a duck?
Duck? I'm not quite sure that's what I'd call you, but sure.
Yeah! I haven't got any friends.
Well, they don't see the beauty in you. I think you look delicious.
What did you say?
I said poultry can be so malicious. Look at them attacking that bread.
Well, I guess the bread is supposed to be French, and French bread's supposed to be good.
Really? Have you ever tried it?
Not a crumb, but to be fair, I haven't been alive for very long.
Still, lunch is on me.
Do you mean it? I haven't got any friends.
Of course, follow me.
I should tell my mother.
Does it look like she'll care?
No.
You won't be gone for long. What harm can it do? And you're hungry, aren't you?
Yes?
That makes two of us. Let's go.
If you're sure.
I'm quite sure. Come on, Ugly. It's time to eat. Ugly?
he went back to the lake. He sure does seem to love swimming.
He wouldn't go alone. I know my son.
You've only known him for half an hour.
This is no time for joking around, Drake. We need to split up and find him. Maureen, kids, come over here.
What's going on?
Ugly's missing.
Oh no, how terrible.
You've all been so rude to him. He probably ran off on his own. Maureen, check the house. Drake, check the barn. The ducklings and I will go to the lake anyways. Let's go.
Duck à l'orange, grilled duck stew, duck confit.
So, what's for lunch?
I'm having you for lunch.
I mean, what are we eating?
Oh, probably just some stew, nothing much.
My mom was wrong. She said, beware of the cat. But you're really nice. There must be another cat she was talking about.
I think not. Often mothers can be overprotective. They stop us from having a little fun. But not my mother, no. Do you know what she used to say? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tuck before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I like to pound the puddles, dabble in the mud, feel silverbacks in the shallows. Then maybe as time goes sliding in the slime to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water bowmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting closer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tub before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know, I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
What's that noise?
The sizzling pot encapsulating an unsuspected visitor who's about to be fried?
No. I mean from outside.
Oh, just the juvenile humans.
What are humans?
Wretched creatures.
They can't be that bad.
They eat duck sometimes.
Okay, maybe they are that bad, but you're nothing like those humans. My mom was wrong. You've never eaten me.
Of course not.
Watch out, guys. I'm going to throw this really far. Oh no, they're coming in. Good idea. You hide there. I'll come back for lunch some other time. It was left at the hen house, then past the cow shed. It was right at the hen house. I'm sure it was right. Oh dear, I'm really lost now.
Intermission.
I think so, at least.
No, it is.
Okay, good. Things were clear.
Thank you.
I'll take 6 for
Ida, I'm really sorry about what happened to Ugly. I brought you some bread.
Every time I turn around, I expect you to appear. Everyone may call my name, but it's your voice that I hear. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Every day seems to be more empty than the last. Everywhere the sun once shone, a shadow has been cast. Every moment that you're gone is a moment dark and gray. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Every moment seems an hour. Every hour lasts a day. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away. Every tear a mother cries is a dream that's washed away.
I'm sorry for teasing the poor kid, Ida. Now I can see how much you care about him. Come on, he needs to be found.
Where are you going?
I have to find Ugly Drake. You know I do.
Haha, right, and leave me with the kids.
Yes.
Ida, we both know this is just a waste of time. At this time of year, it's just too unsafe. I'm sorry, but
No, Drake. I have to know the truth. I'll be back soon.